Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the best strategies for monetizing your YouTube channel and achieving a full-time income. It's a question most up-and-coming YouTubers have: how to make a full-time income from YouTube? Well, ponder as we fluidly transition into our first topic of discussion. We're exploring strategies today that can turn your YouTube into a money-making machine. And first and foremost, it's essential to grasp the system rules. YouTube operates based on a setup that, when adhered to, can launch your channel to unimaginable success. These include producing unique content, respecting copyright laws, and sticking to community standards. Neglecting these rules can result in your channel being demonetized, so do make an effort to familiarize yourself with them. As we transition into our next key point, let's focus on getting your videos ranked. The higher your videos rank in the search results, the more views and ultimately, the more revenue you'll generate. The secret sauce to ranking videos involves optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with keywords relevant to your content. It also helps to consistently upload quality content that resonates with your audience. Before we move on, remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more tips and tricks on how to rank your videos. Now, smoothly moving on to the money plan. Think of your YouTube channel as a business. Every successful business has a plan, and your YouTube channel should be no different. The plan should outline your content strategy, monetization methods, and growth goals. Transitioning into the topic of monetization methods, there are several strategies you can employ. The most popular one is using YouTube AdSense, where you earn money from ads displayed on your videos. However, it's not the only game in town. You can also make money through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products in your videos and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Another lucrative strategy is creating and selling online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and make money while you're at it? You can promote your courses in your videos and direct your viewers to a landing page where they can purchase them. Did you know you can also make money from Audible trials? By becoming an Audible affiliate, you can earn a commission every time someone signs up for a free trial using your referral link. It's a win-win situation. Your viewers get to enjoy a free audiobook and you get to make some money. As we smoothly transition into the next part, let's discuss a few additional tips to boost your income. Free ranking involves using SEO strategies to rank your videos higher in the search results without spending a dime on ads. Money-generating experiments, on the other hand, involve testing different monetization strategies to see which ones yield the best results. Lastly, as we transition into our final thoughts, remember that achieving a full-time income from YouTube requires massive action. It's not enough to upload a few videos and hope for the best. You need to consistently create and upload quality content, engage with your audience, and be persistent in your monetization efforts. To recap, as we smoothly transition to conclude our video, the key strategies to monetize your YouTube channel and achieve a full-time income include understanding the system rules, ranking your videos, having a money plan, and employing various monetization methods such as YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, online courses, and Audible trials. Remember to optimize your videos for free ranking, conduct money-generating experiments, and take massive action. So there you have it, the blueprint to making a full-time income from YouTube. Now it's up to you to put these strategies into action and turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine.